If you're a motorcyclist looking to capture every ride with crystal clear clarity and dependable performance, choosing the right motorcycle camera is essential. Let's explore the top 5 motorcycle cameras on Amazon for 2025. Our first pick is the Vantrue F1 4K dual-cam motorcycle dash camera. Designed specifically for bikes, this dual-lens system captures ultra-sharp 4K video from the front and 1080p from the rear, using advanced Sony Starvis sensors. The footage quality, even in low light or nighttime conditions, is excellent thanks to its HDR functionality. The Vantrue F1 comes with built-in GPS for route tracking, Wi-Fi for real-time smartphone preview and file transfer, and a G sensor that automatically saves recordings during incidents. It's IP67 rated waterproof and connects directly to your bike's ignition system, starting and stopping automatically with your engine. Riders love its discreet design, hardwired reliability, and ability to continuously loop record without interruption, making it a perfect blend of security and convenience. Second on the list is the INNOVV H5 Helmet Cam. This 4K action camera is designed with motorcyclists in mind, offering a helmet-mounted perspective with impressive features. The H5 uses a Sony sensor for exceptional image clarity and supports electronic image stabilization to smooth out bumpy footage. One of its standout features is the large 2,400 mAh battery, which provides up to 5 hours of continuous recording, ideal for long-distance rides. The device also supports external power by USB-C and includes a one-button control system for easy operation with gloves. With its rugged build and anti-vibration design, the INNOVV H5 is a favorite among touring and adventure riders who want top-tier video without dealing with frame drops or battery swaps mid-ride. Our third recommendation is the Insta360 X4 motorcycle bundle, a game-changer for those who want immersive 360-degree video. The Insta360 can record in 8K resolution, allowing you to capture every angle of your ride and edit later using its advanced app. With flow state stabilization and horizon leveling, the footage remains buttery smooth even on twisty mountain roads. This bundle includes a reinforced handlebar mount, invisible selfie stick, and lens guards, making it a ready-to-go kit for motorcyclists. It's IPX8 waterproof and offers voice commands for hands-free operation. This camera is ideal for vloggers, content creators, or riders who want to share panoramic visuals and VR-style experiences from their journeys. At number 4, we have the GoPro Hero 13 Black, the latest flagship from GoPro. This camera records in 5.3K at 60 frames per second and offers unmatched image processing, dynamic range, and stability with Hypersmooth 7.0. It's designed to withstand the harsh conditions of motorcycling, whether it's rain, dirt, or vibration. With GPS logging, automatic highlight tagging, and a huge ecosystem of mounts, including those tailored for helmets and bikes, the Hero 13 is an all-around powerhouse. Riders love its ruggedness, quick app syncing, and voice control. If you're looking for the highest quality footage with pro-level features, the Hero 13 Black is your best bet. Finally, for riders on a tighter budget, the SJCAM Pro-Grade 4K is an excellent value option. It offers true 4K recording, electronic image stabilization, and comes with a waterproof case and a variety of mounting accessories. It's compact, user-friendly, and supports Wi-Fi connectivity to sync and preview videos through the SJCAM app. The dual battery setup means you can easily swap in a fresh one during long rides. While it doesn't match the GoPro or Insta360 in dynamic range or stabilization, it holds its own for general use recording and is more than capable of capturing your daily commutes or short trips with clarity and consistency.